Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to pin a conversation on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Select one of your chats. Long press the text that you want to pin. Tap on Pin. And that's it. This is how you pin a conversation on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.